Welcome to the Katie's Garden Guide to Pruning Perennials. I'm not Katie. We're here in the Nepeta bed. It's also known as catmint or catnip. It's starting to finish off now. We're into July and then it's kind of browning up. It's another of those ones you have to make your own personal decision on it really if you decided it's looking a bit grotty now. So it's another plant that's going to die down completely for the winter, so that we take that as our guide, that means we should be cutting it right down hard. Fingers crossed it will come for a second flowering this year. But regrowth is going to come right from the ground, so there's no point leaving too much above, just enough to help it photosynthesize really.